So I want to share with you that not all what we try is a success. The corn, the sweet corn this year is a disaster, basically. And I thought it may be interesting to share my diagnosis with you. It started very well, and it rained very much this year. So these are old varieties of corn, and I plant them every year with success. I generally have a decent harvest with little or no watering, even though the weather is often dry. So my usual technique is to sow after the chickens have been there. I plant in May, and I plant a spot on our property where the chickens have stayed long enough, from the end of winter to the beginning of spring, so that it is well fertilized. Like I said, the corn started out really well, and it was a rainy summer, so it should have all worked out. However, it seemed to lack fertility more and more. I think the rain leached the nitrogen from the chicken droppings, so the corn didn't have enough to eat. So paradoxically, the rain was a problem. In other more fertile places, I have a few ears of corn, and they are doing well, even though I haven't done anything at all. So I guess I will use more rabbit manure and goat manure, maybe horse manure next year, because these manure are not so easily washed out by the rain. So it's a good thing to learn, but it's very sad, really, because to plant such a big place is a lot of work, and of course you just hope you will get an harvest. But the goats are very happy. I've cut down pretty much of it already, and I will cut a big part to them today.